Hey there, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but awesome trick in Excel. How to make your negative values stand out in a chart by showing them in a different color. Trust me, this little tweak really makes your charts clearer and easier to understand. First things first, grab your mouse and double-click on any one of the columns in your chart. Don't worry which one, just pick any column. It all works the same. When you do that, the Format Data Series task pane will pop up on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Next, look for the little paint bucket icon. Click on that. This section controls the fill colors for your columns. Here's the cool part. Look for the checkbox that says Invert if negative. Tick that box. Once you check that, you'll see two color choices pop up. The first color is for your positive values, so you can leave that as is or choose a color you like. The second one is for your negative values. And I personally love to use red here because it makes the negative numbers really stand out. Go ahead and pick a color that works for you. I'm going to select red for the negatives. Here's a little bonus trick to make your chart even easier to read. Sometimes those category labels, the names along the bottom, can overlap with negative columns. So let's fix that. Double-click on the category axis. That's the horizontal labels along the bottom of your chart. In the Format Axis pane, click on this button for axis options. Scroll down a little until you find the Labels section, then look for Label Position. Click the drop-down and select Low. This moves the labels below the negative columns, so everything looks neat and tidy. And that's it. See how simple that was? You're doing great so far. Pause the video now and try it yourself. Hands-on practice is the best way to learn. If you've tried this trick and it worked for you, drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Excel tips from me, Hannah at Sheet Leveler. See you in the next video.